In this video, you will learn how to use cosine rule to solve problems. Suppose we have a triangle with angles capital A, B, and C. Let the length of side opposite of angle A be small letter a. The length of side opposite of angle B be small letter b, while the length of side opposite of angle C be small letter c. According to cosine rule, the square of side A is equal to the square of side B plus the square of side C minus 2bc cos angle A. Alternatively, you can also write cosine rule as b square equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos angle B, or c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos angle C. Let's try to apply cosine rule to solve problem. Suppose we have a triangle with one of the angle is equal to 100 degree. Given the two adjacent sides are 7 cm and 8 cm respectively, we want to find x, which is the length of side opposite to the angle 100 degree. Using cosine rule, with a is equal to x, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 8, and angle A is equal to 100 degree, we will obtain the length of x. X is equal to 11.51 cm.